Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use or how to easily renew your driver's license online in California. So this is very helpful because it saves you time and you don't have to go to DMV in person. So first go to dmv.ca.gov and from there you should see driver's license and IDs. Click that and then choose renew DL or ID. Next, scroll down and in the renew section, click renew driver's license or ID. And before you begin, there are a few things that you need to know. You should be ready to log into your DMV online account. If you don't have an account, it will ask you to create one. And if you're over age 70, you'll need to visit the link shown there first. And then you'll also need to be ready to pay the renewal fee and based on the amount listed on your renewal notice. And lastly, you may need to update your voter registration info if needed. And there's also an important note before you start. Make sure you're within 90 days of your license expiration and make sure your address is up to date. And if you need to change your address, click the link there, but do it at least 3 days before you start your renewal application. And once everything looks good, just click Renew DL. And from here, all you have to do is log in, and then you can access the renewal for your driver's license. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out. And for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to like and share.